Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. Today's video is all about this wig and I'm going to drop all the details for you guys, so keep watching and you watch me style it as well. So I'm going to start off with, of course, my hair looking like this. I actually got this wig from a brand called City Republic. Their wig line, the wigs section of the business is called City Girl Curls on Instagram, so check them out, guys. Right off the bat, this wig is just really impressive. I think that first of all, the packaging was very secure. I think the owner usually hand paints the boxes that these wigs come in, and I'm so impressed by that because I was looking forward to getting one. But hopefully you guys, when you order, you can get one. I think there were so many orders that it sort of just ran out. Anyways, this wig comes with a comb in front, and then it comes with another one at the back like that, and then it also comes with adjustable straps, because why not? I mean, we gotta make sure these wigs are secure in 2021, you know. So I'm gonna jump ahead. First thing I would say is this wig is really soft. For a synthetic wig, I did not expect it to be this soft. I know I've heard a lot about this hair, but I didn't know that I will be so impressed. This is actually called the Jade wig on the website at City Girl Curls. I will put all the details down below, so check it out, guys. So right off the bat, of course, I see that you can wear this wig in like a headband wig sort of deal, because the comb in front is very flat-ish, like it gives you that headband wig style. If you want to just put a headband right in front like that, I think it would work. I think the first style I'm just going to show you guys is actually what you're seeing right now without the headband, of course. But if you just go in and fluff this hair a little bit more, you have a style going for you easy. Now the second style I'm going to be doing is like a side part, so basically just pushing this to, I usually wear my side parts on the, so the part is usually on the left, so the big part goes on the right like that. So I actually like this. I think this is really cute. I'm gonna wear this a lot. This has become my throw-on wig right now. Like, as of the time I'm releasing this video, this is my best wig ever. The next style I'm gonna do for you guys is like just, I wanted some bangs, but I didn't want to cut this hair yet. So what I did is just take a section in front and flip it like that, and then use the bobby pin to secure it, just to make it a bit shorter so I can have bangs without having to cut this hair. And of course it might take a bit. You can use 2 bobby pins if you want, but 1 bobby pin worked for me, and all you have to do is just fluff it out to where it looks good. And then I think I trimmed just a little bit to give it shape, but other than that, this is a good way to preserve your curly hair if you want bangs but you don't want to cut it. So hopefully that helps. Again, guys, I think this is the last style that I did in this video. You can wear this wig 3 or more ways. You can, I don't know, but you can do so much with this wig. Look out for me doing a lot with it, because this wig saved me this week when work started. Honestly, I just threw it on and went to work, and it was perfect. So again, this wig is called the Jade wig on the City Girl Curls website. I got it in a color 1B black, which matches my original hair color. Got lots of compliments, as you would expect, because why not? Pretty black woman over here. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I think that's all I have. Let me know if you have questions, comments down below, and I will be more than happy to respond to y'all. Again, thank you for your support. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up on this one, and yeah, I will see y'all next time. Bye, guys.